Alright, here we go. This is the result of a whole bunch of work and research. A 15 by 15 hole in the ground. Got a dump truck full of 1.5 inch washed rock with a certain amount of fines, 5% or so, 10% maybe. So I just covered it all with this filter fabric. So it's going to take them a little while to load all this in. And there it goes. Let me go shut the truck door here. Okay. So this will be dropped down into the hole once we get, I think, a 1.5 or 2 feet of rock in under there. We have another load of 1.25 inch crush with fines. So we have our pipe here is covered. There is the 12 inch by 12 inch catch basin, and that is going to run a pipe out into it, and that other pipe is going to run out into it too. Then we've decided that I'm going to add a little more pipe on this side of the house for foundation drain. So I've got this nice dirt here, much nicer than the stuff that was up here. The stuff up here was all glacial rock and sand and till, and this stuff here is much nicer sandy soil. Okay, so I have to put some more foundation drain in along the front of the garage doors here, and then we will be okay. This is 2 sections 45 feet long of filter fabric, and then 2 more 15 by 10 foot sections on each side to finish out the basin. And we're probably going to need another truck here before we can set the basin down into it. So Traco has a pretty good amount of rock to it here, rocking motion, that is, as he picks it up, and you can see the right track lift up off the ground here. And there we go. I guess our operator has entered into several competitions for backhoe heavy equipment operation, and I guess he's actually won a few of them he was telling me about. And his young 12 or so year old son is in a child competition of it too, so very interesting. And there goes the track again. Okay, so I'm gonna get going on well, actually, he has to dig this trench for me before I can finish up my pipe. Okay, so I'm going to get out of the way here and let him wrap up what he's doing. All right, well, this will be fun. And there she blows. Well, that hardly touched it.
Yeah. Well, we've got 2 more boxes coming in here, which will get us close, but it won't get us to the finish line today.
No. But it'll be up high enough where someone's not especially going to take a big fall in.
Yeah.
Which that
We
can...
don't want to leave any of the rebar.
No, no.
All right, well, I'll get this guy a load of dirt.
Okay, so I'm out here on traffic duty, and he is backing the dump truck and trailer in, and we have a car coming up, and they pulled off. A little tight. Now I have to turn to get the trailer pointed in the right direction. And our customer's going, actually not a customer, our neighbor. So he's got to swing it to come around the tree. It's a tight fit. See, he's got to get that trailer to come around tighter. That might do it. That might do it. He's got to get the trailer to swing in up to the pit, and I don't think he's got enough swing on it yet. Just about there. Just about there. There we go. Extend that a little bit. And he is just about there. He has just about got it. And that is the trailer full. Perfect. They're just spread around. Okay. So we got that. Yeah, he's got that. And the trailer dumper's down, trailer's in. Now it's going to go dump the trailer off. Okay, let me catch up here in case he needs a little bit of road clearance.
That's the way we like to roll.
That was some mighty fine driving, I gotta say. You want to
The other driver and have him take it out.
Okay.
And we're going to drop the trailer out there.
Yeah, I figure you want to stop driving out here.
Yeah, I'll send him right out.
Yeah, so that worked out really well. The driver's going to drop the trailer here somewhere and then bring the dumper in. So yeah, things are working out pretty good. Okay, so I'm roto hammering out the holes for our Okay, so it is almost 10 o'clock and we have our ditch or water retention basin almost finished. I had to install these pipes down into it, drill through the concrete. I have to get a couple of fittings up there in the morning because of the slope change. Okay, let me go back to wide angle here. Okay, Yeah, so I had to open up the hole in the side there with a roto hammer, and then tomorrow morning I have to go and get some ground fabric, this here black fabric, and we need some to put over the top of this. This here ditch will get filled in. There's the catch basin. So I need to have, you can see the angle of the pipe coming out from the catch basin, so I need to get some fittings that will make that transition. So let me grab these and get these in the garage. And then, oops, I did not get a picture of the piping here, but we finished the foundation drain and downspout piping. There's the downspout pipe there. Then the foundation drain comes from about here, diagonally over, and then along the front of the garage doors. So here is all of the ground fabric that's left. Get these put away. Okay, so this is what's going on. Put that away. All right, so this is all graded in here now, and we have 1.25 inch crushed clean rock there, and we're going to pack the rest of this dirt tomorrow, and then we're going to put the ground fabric on it and about 5 inches of this crushed rock, and then some 5/8 crushed rock on top of that, and then we'll be ready for the paving stones. Okay, so the track hoe has been put to bed. Things are coming along very nicely right now. Just got to finish locking things up. So there are the pipes here. It's been a big job. Okay, so more to show you tomorrow. Stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, thank you.